The purpose of this playlist is to understand and give you an overview what and how to use the developer license which is provided lately with ALM Octane. The developer license is one of the newest capabilities we have added to Octane in order to support the developer to manage dev-related artifacts in Octane directly from his IDE or using the browser. This contains the management of backlog items, management of defects, as well as pipeline. And we have added also the testing capability, allowing the developer to add an acceptance test to his backlog items and allow the acceptance criteria. In this playlist, we will guide you through how to enable the developer license as well as what are the different capabilities it provides from using the IDE and the plugins we are providing here, as well as how to run automated tests and how to build the backlog management as well as defect management and pipelines.